Subject-verb agreement. The class blank been arguing where to go. Has or have. So ano ang subject sa sentence natin? Meron tayong class. And again, class is a collective noun. So kung collective nouns, alam na natin na pwede natin silang i-treat as plural or singular. Depende sa kung paano natin sila tinitignan or dun sa konteksto ng sentence or ng item. So kung ang class ay tinitignan natin as a single unit, singular agreement. Pero kung tinitignan natin yung klase as its individual members, then plural agreement. In this case, ano ba yung ginagawa ng klase? They argue where to go. Ibig sabihin, hindi sila magkasundo-sundo kung saan man pupunta. At yung hindi pagkasundo-sundo, nagre-reflect ito ng different opinions coming from different people. Therefore, we're viewing them here as the individual members rather than a single unit. Kasi hindi naman mangyari yung argumento kung isang unit lang sila. Nangyayari yung arguments kasi iba-ibang tao, iba-ibang pananaw, iba-ibang opinion. Therefore, ang tamang sagot dito ay have. The class have been arguing where to go. Meanwhile, kung view lang natin itong klase na to as a single unit na pupuntang field trip, pwede natin sabihin, the class is going on a trip. So, nag-is tayo kasi single unit natin tinitingnan yung klase. Pupunta sila doon, like as a whole.